brought you a beer. I hope you like Budweiser. I'm more of a Bud Light guy myself. It's good weather we're having tonight, huh? Yeah. I prefer this weather myself over the heat or the humidity. I'm more of a rain guy. I've actually been considering moving to Portland, Oregon, where it rains about 150 times a year. You get around 50 inches of rain each year. Yeah. Rain is by far my favorite weather. But I sort of kinda live in this park, you know. It's like my home. You know, my mother used to take me and my siblings here every weekend, every Saturday morning, until the accident happened. I don't know if I told you the story before or not. It's one of those things that just stuck with me, you know, naturally. Such a big thing. But you see, what happened was, it was Saturday morning, and she would take us to the park every Saturday, like religiously. It was our thing. It was her thing. She enjoyed taking us to the park. And see what happened, it had just begun to rain. And on this highway here, as we were pulling in, someone else was leaving and cut her off, and she spun out and hit the tree down there just a ways. She didn't make it. Neither did my brother, my sister. I don't know if you call it luck or you call it blessed, whatever you believe in, but I'm the only one that made it. I got out of the car and I ran down the police station about 2 miles up the road and called the police, and they brought me here with them, and we talked it out. I guess they hauled the car off and stuff, but after the accident happened, I just stayed here. Like this is my life now, and I don't know, man. That's my story. I'm sorry this is all we had to talk about tonight, but alright, man, I'll see you later. Tomorrow same time?